Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. We have something different. This is by Mayde Beauty, and this is a lace front wig, and she is Cassie, and I have her in the color number 1. Yes, something different. I'm excited about this one, you guys. Let's see what she's looking like. Yes, honey, do you see them ringlet curls? Shirley Temple, honey. Ow. There's our stock card. Very beautiful. Cassie, yes. Oh, do you see the bun on top? That is so cute. The little braid detail at the top. Cap construction, honey. We got 3 combs up front. There's one in the nape. There's one in the back. And then we also have, of course, our adjustable straps. And there's our lace part. It is a little stretchy. Not too stretchy, but it might be big head friendly. Yes, honey. Do you see them curls? Ooh, she is cute. Yes, honey. I am loving that. And it's not a lot of lace to cut off. So that is perfect. This is a great beginner-friendly wig. Just going around them ear tabs. Good ear to ear. It's only that lace right up there at the temple to cut off. It's so pretty. Yes. Now I want to try to fluff out them curls, but not fluff them out too much because they're just so perfect and so pretty. Yes. Just showing you guys the detail at the top. I don't even think I need any powder up there. That is beautiful. But now I got to adjust it and make sure it's in the proper middle part of my head. Still trying to adjust some of them curls just to kind of fluff them out for the purposes of this video. I would have just left the curls alone and just let them fall. This is one of those wigs to where if you let the curls fall naturally, they're just going to look so beautiful over time. And they're so soft and so pretty. And this is a synthetic wig, but it's very beautiful. Look at that. Snapback, honey. What? Got that snapback action. So here's the back. Very cute, very full, no gaps in the back. Yes, very gorgeous. I am loving this. She is cute, 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 cute. All right, let's get into this wig.
Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. And 2021, y'all. Hey, we made it. Hey, I'm happy my black ass made it through, okay? Because 2020 was a damn mess, okay? 2021, we gonna work it out, y'all. We gonna work it out. It's gonna be good and popping, okay? Yes, we're going to get into these wigs, honey. Less of the K-list, less of the braids. We're going to get into these wigs this year, okay? Yes. Let's pop into this video, honey. So first off, of course, I want to thank all my sweets, all my new subscribers who have came on to my channel. Blessings. Yes, I appreciate you all. I appreciate the people who's been rocking with me from the beginning, honey. Yes, you just don't know how I appreciate you guys. I really do. And for the people who clicked on this thumbnail, I hope you think about subscribing at the link below. All right, now let's get into this wig, honey. Do you see this? Ain't she cute? It's a good summer wig, okay? I was scrolling through and I was like, let me do something different. I said, honey, we got to be popping in 2021. I got to, minutia it around a little bit, okay? So today we are doing a wig by Mayde. This is a frontal wig and this is Cassie. And I have her in the color number 1. Yes. She is cute. Ain't she cute? Yes, honey. Ain't she cute? The bounce on it and the curls is what got me. When I had seen her on, I was on wig type scrolling around, honey, because they've been having some sales. I said, girl, let me get up in here and give me some of these damn wigs. Anywho, I had seen her and I was like, oh, the curls on that is really cute. And I said, hopefully we can get out in 2021 and get some fresh air, okay? I said, okay, I'm going to have to try her. I like the little bun that they had on top. See the little bun? It's so cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then these curls are like little ringlet curls. They just, look at them. They just snap back. Ain't that cute? I just think that is so cute. This is one of the wigs when once the curls fall, it's just gonna get more pretty. It's gonna get more beautiful. I don't know why I ain't seen no more reviews on it. I think I seen like one or two. I don't know, girl. But when I seen her, I thought she was cute. So I was like, I'm gonna pick her up just to see if I like her first. And she got some more colors. Like, girl, I'm about to go in there and give me a couple more. Cause wig types, boy. I swear everybody and their mama be on wig types. You see a wig that you want, you better get your ass on there and get it. Cause you gonna turn around and it's gonna be gone. Okay, girl. But no, so this one is 13x5 lace frontal. You see all the parting space and stuff up here. Really cute. The braids are really cute. I put like a touch of powder up under the cap, but it really didn't need it. I thought I was gonna do like a lot of baby hairs, but you don't even need to do the baby hairs. This is a good beginner friendly wig. Yes, it is. It's pre-braided. Yes, we can see that it's pre-braided. And then let me give you some of these. It is ear to ear. The ear to ear is really good. And I did not glue mines down. So if you want to glue it down, you can, but I didn't glue mines down. I didn't feel like it needed all of that. It's just cute the way it is. It is curling iron safe, if I could talk, up to 400 degrees. And then I did talk about the baby hair. So it did come with like a little baby hairline, but I just cut that off because like I said, I didn't want to be doing too many baby hairs. And, you know, it's up to you. Everybody has their own preference. But I think it looks cute with just, you know, just the little stuff that I left up top. You know, they're kind of pushed in up under the hair. That's kind of where I got mine and kind of pushed back. I didn't feel like I needed to do all them baby hairs and stuff. And so even looking on here now, the number 1 is out of stock, and they got 1B, a number 2, and a B02 204. So that's all that they have left. So honey, I'm about to go back on here like after I record this right here and go get me that 1B since the number 1 is gone. Because this is cute. And like I said, this is, you know, good summer hair, okay? Because it's going to get hot. So we going to need some good summer hair. We need a treat, okay? 2020 was, woo, Jesus. I just thank God and thank my heavens and blessings above that I made it through and that we're here for 2021. I'm going to turn around for you guys so you can see the bag. It's so full and bouncy. Yeah, she cute. She cute. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and just give you guys this quick little slay. I have some beautiful things coming. I finally got some good quality headband wigs coming, okay? Love Me Hair. Watch out for that video, honey. Yes. And they had on purple boxes. Girl, you know I love purple. I can't wait to try on that headband wig. Yeah, something quality to try on, okay? So until next time, my sweets, I appreciate you guys so much. Leave me some comments below. Let me know if you like this wig, okay? Like I said, if you like her, you better hurry up and go and get her, okay? I'm going to leave the links down below. If I find it on like eBay or something, I'll leave the links below as well. So everything will be in the description box. Follow me on my handle at Instagram because that's where I put most of my pictures up if I don't post something on YouTube. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.